Greetings to all. I hope you are fine. Today's topic is lenses and image formed due to refraction by convex and concave lens. First, lens. What is the meaning of lens? Lens is an optically transparent medium bounded by two spherical surfaces. Lens is classified into two types, convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens means it is bounded by two spherical surfaces. Thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. When a beam of light passing through a convex lens, the refracted rays converge to a point. Next, concave lens. It is bounded by two spherical surfaces, thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. When a beam of light passing through convex lens, it is diverged to a point. So, it is called diverging lens. Concave lens is called diverging lens and convex lens is called converging lens. Next, other types of lenses, plano-convex lens and plano-concave lens. Plano-convex lens means if one of its faces biconvex lens is plane, it is called plano-convex lens. Plano-convex lens means one of the faces is plane, bifocal lens, this is called plano-convex lens. Next, plano-concave lens. Plano-concave lens means one of the faces is plane of the biconcave lens of a plane. One face is plane of biconcave lens. This is called plano-concave lens. Next, images formed due to refraction by convex and concave lens. When an object is placed in front of the lens, the light rays falls into the lens. The nature and size of the image is formed. We know the following rules. First rule, this is convex lens. Center midpoint is called optical center O. Draw principal axis. Yes, center F1 focus, F2 also focus, C1 two spherical surface, so center of curvature C1 and center of curvature C2. First rule, when a beam of light passing through optic center, the refracted ray without any deviation. When a beam of light passing through optic center, the refracted ray without any deviation. First rule, when a beam of light passing through optical center, the refracted ray without any deviation. Then second rule, When a ray of light passing through parallel to principal axis, when a ray parallel to principal axis by convex lens or converged lens, the refracted ray is converged to a principal focus. Converged to a principal focus. When a ray of light parallel to principal axis by concave lens diverged to the principal focus. The refracted ray is diverged to the principal focus. Here convex lens, so converged to the principal focus. When a beam of light parallel to principal axis, the refracted ray is converged to a principal focus. Third rule. When a ray of light passing through principal focus, the refracted ray is parallel to principal axis. When a ray of light passing through principal focus by convex lens or concave lens, the refracted ray is parallel to principal axis. Next, lens formula. Lens formula equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by e. It is related to focal length, image distance and object distance. F means focal length, v means image distance and u means object distance. Related to focal length, object distance and image distance makes lens formula. Therefore, lens formula equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u by using convex lens or concave lens. Then magnification of a lens. Magnification of a lens, m equal to height dash by height. Define magnification of a lens. Magnification of a lens is defined as by the ratio of height dash, height of the image by height of the object. The magnification of the lens is defined as the ratio of height of the image by height of the object. Therefore, m equal to height dash by height. Application of convex lens. Convex lenses are used as camera lenses. Camera lenses also used as convex lens and magnifying lenses. Magnifying lens means enlarge the objects. Enlarge the objects, that is called magnifying. Magnifying lenses also used for convex lens. They are used in making microscope, telescope and slide projectors. Microscope lens also convex lens and telescope and projectors also using which lens? Convex lens. They are used to correct the defect of vision is called hypermetropia. Hypermetropia means long sightedness. Long sightedness to correct convex lens. Long sightedness to correct convex lens. Application of concave lens. Concave lenses are used as eye lens of Galilean telescope. Eye lens is used for concave lens. They are used in wide angle spike golden doors. The spike golden doors also using concave lens. They are used to correct the defect of vision called myopia. Myopia means short sightedness. Short sightedness can be correct means concave lens, using concave lens. Dear children, next class we will discuss about refraction through a convex lens. Thank you. Have a nice day.